Photography is supposed to be about beauty, creativity, and capturing the world in ways that others can't see. Yet spend 5 minutes in an online photography forum or even at a photo walk and you'll find more grumpy faces than at a DMV waiting line. Somewhere between shutter clicks and Lightroom sliders, photographers have turned into some of the crankiest artists on the planet. Why is that? If I'm being honest, I'm guilty of much of this too. Then again, I do yell at kids that play on my lawn. I'll bet most of you are if you were completely honest with yourself as well, you can find a lot of this from the description in yourselves. Unmasking the grumps. Common triggers for negativity. First, we got what I call the always right syndrome. You know the type. They argue endlessly about exposure settings or whether a JPEG can ever be as pure as RAW. Even when wrong, they'll repeat themselves louder and longer as if volume equals accuracy. Then come the gear wars. Nikon versus Canon versus Sony. It's like a religious debate, only with more expensive accessories. These battles often boil down to one person trying to justify why they spent 3 months' rent on a new lens. And let's not forget the armchair critics. These are people who don't actually take photos anymore. They just sit on the couch, drink coffee or liquor, and type nasty comments towards anyone who is out creating. Frustrated pros sometimes join in too, venting their struggles onto others because they feel underappreciated. Add in the economic pressures. The industry has changed. Print sales are down, stock photography pays in peanuts, and competition is everywhere. That stress can make the nicest photographer snap. Of course, jealousy plays a key role. The green-eyed monster. Nothing stings like watching another photographer book gigs, rack up followers, or land the cover that you wanted. As the saying goes, comparison is the thief of joy. But try telling that to a grumpy photographer. And let's not ignore the shield of being anonymous online. People feel invincible. They can say whatever they want, no matter how cruel, because no one knows their real name. Some even become gatekeepers, declaring that you're not a real photographer if you don't shoot film, or if you use the wrong brand, or heaven forbid, edit your work. Also, let's not forget the Adobe versus the rest of the world battle. And yes, negativity spills into real life too. Elbows at crowded events, shouting over stolen shots, even the occasional flying bottle at a landscape spot. Apparently the rule is first come, first served, unless you got there second and you're louder. Strategies for resilience here. So how do you survive in this jungle of cranky creatives? First, pause before you pounce. Don't respond instantly. That angry comment isn't going anywhere. Take a breath, then decide if it's worth your energy. I've gotten to the point now where, you know what? I might start typing a response and then I realize, you know what? I'm just gonna block the person, and I block them. Next, dissect the dig. Is it constructive, baseless negativity, or just bullying? If it's helpful, try to learn from it. If not, toss it out with yesterday's memory cards. Actually, don't throw out your memory cards unless they're defective. Now, you also have options for a response. Kill it with kindness. A polite reply can disarm most trolls. They usually don't know what to do when you don't fight back. They're all just waiting to go at you, and all of a sudden you say, hey, you know what? Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. They don't know what to do. And I just said this, block and delete. If someone is toxic, erase them from your feed. No one has time to babysit the bitterness. Ignore. Often the most powerful weapon. Trolls thrive on attention. Starve them. They will scuttle away. Just ignore them, which is easier said than done. Trust me, I know. Build up your resilience shield. Save your positive feedback. Remind yourself that grumpiness usually says more about the commenter than about you. Even negative comments boost your engagement. I used to sit there and argue with people on my YouTube channel here who are negative on my videos. Then I'm like, you know what? Any comment is a good comment. So, hey, thank you. The algorithm doesn't care whether someone loves you or hates you, only that they're talking about you. There you go. Finally, find your positive tribe. Connect with photographers who support your vision. A good mentor beats 100 online critics. And a healthy photo club will give you encouragement, not ulcers. I am so blessed that my wife supports me 1,000% with my photography. Thank you very much, honey. I appreciate it. At the end of the day, grumpiness in photography comes from insecurity, jealousy, and the pressures of changing industry. But here's the secret. You don't have to join in. Focus on your own journey, enjoy the craft, and let the grumps stew in their bitterness while you're out making images that you're proud of. Because, you know, in the grand scheme of things, photography is supposed to be fun, whether you're a professional or a hobbyist. And if you catch yourself getting grumpy, remember, God puts you on his wake-up list today. Have a blessed day.